Hi, I am Tansy the Trophy, and welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'm just showing off in my cosplay for an original character I created, and her name is Fataka. And guys, yeah, I just wanted to showcase me making this wig. I put a lot of work and effort into this cosplay. It took me about 3 weeks. And I handmade the wig. This is what it looked like at first. I didn't really like it, but I recreated it a little bit later. And guys, I did use human hair and synthetic hair, but it wasn't giving like I wanted it to, so I had to redo a couple of things. But yeah, like I said, I wasn't feeling it. I dyed the hair at first. I had bleached the hair to like a brownish, blondish color, maybe like a honey blonde. And it turned out okay, but it still didn't look the way I wanted it to. And right now I'm just showing you how I made the curly hair with the synthetic hair. I made the straight synthetic hair curly, and I just used some perm rods. You can get these from your local beauty supply store. And I just wrapped the hair around it, and then close it. There's a clamp on the end of it, and yeah, I'm just showing you my little technique. And guys, I make wigs. I handmade wigs. I do have a wig business called Imagine Me Innovations, and yeah. I also have a YouTube channel for that, as well as another YouTube channel called Tansy the Glow Up Guru. And that's mainly where I showcase how to do makeup, hair, and I am self-taught. And guys, I put the hair in hot boiling water to seal in the curl because it is plastic, so it kind of like melts into whatever shape you mold it onto or a rod you mold it to. And since it was synthetic hair, I had to, and half human, half synthetic hair. Like, it's not a blend. These are human hair tracks. And I had to use flexi rods and setting mousse in order to curl it. And then for length, and also to be cost efficient, a little bit, I added in the synthetic hair at the bottom. In order to blend the textures, I made the human hair kind of curly because I use hot water setting for the synthetic hair. And when I say setting, I mean that what the technique I just showed you. Right now I'm just rolling it up to the root. And guys, this takes time. Like I said, I'm self-taught. I've been making wigs since I was about 16 years old. I'm 33 now. And it's just fun to do. And I also am neurodivergent and I have ADHD. So making wigs really gives me a way to like really channel my energy and focus. I could work on a wig for 2 to 3, 4, 8 hours at max at a time and just be so happy and content. It's just really fun. And that's the only time I really like focus is when I'm making a wig. I'm like, nope, can't. I don't even take bathroom breaks. My goodness. But I keep on going. It ain't over until it's finished. Woo! Right now I'm just crocheting the hair into the wig. I also did have to add in some, like I had to sew the human hair tracks in and I had to crochet the synthetic hair in. And that's just me working my cosplay, if you know what I mean. Like I'm rocking it. Woo! And look at my war scythe. Isn't it cute? That's my weapon. Watch out now. It's a long scythe too. And guys, I did make this from I may make a video about this, but I made it from a mop, an old broken mop, and some cardboard. And here, there's me again. That's me with the wig finished and my whole cosplay completely done. And I am wearing wings. And I made those wings from coat hangers and socks. Crazy enough. So yeah, guys, please like and comment on my videos. I'd appreciate it, guys. I've been on YouTube for years, but I just, if you know, I have some videos where I talk about how I've been dealing with illness. And by the grace of God, I've been feeling a lot better. So yeah, it's just dealing with invisible illness, and then, trying to be a content creator. Well, not trying to. I'm triumphantly becoming a content creator, dang on it. But I try not to say try. Wait a minute. Yeah, I don't try. I triumph. Yeah. But yeah, guys, please leave a comment. That will help YouTube to notice me. If you rock with me, I appreciate it. Let me know what you think so I can put more videos out that you may enjoy. And, it helps me to believe that you believe in me. Thank you.